Imagine waking up at night, gasping for air. You snore so loudly that it wakes up your partner. During the day, you are so exhausted that you fall asleep at your desk and often in traffic. You have an uphill battle with your weight. The quality of your life slowly starts to fade away. This is the reality for more than 1 billion people worldwide suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. This condition is more often than not underdiagnosed and undertreated with many health-related issues. Obstructive sleep apnea can lead to various comorbidities like heart and lung disease, renal disease, sexual dysfunction, metabolic disease like diabetes, obesity, and even death. In the last 2 decades, the solutions, therefore, have not only been ineffective, expensive, but unsustainable. Despite the availability of various treatment options, there still remains an unmet need for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea, especially the moderate to severe cases. CPAP, or continuous positive airways pressure, is still the international gold standard. But the problem of long-term adherence is because it's hard to sleep with these machines. Most surgical options offer limited success. The one that does work is when the upper and lower jaws are broken, advanced, kept in that position, but these procedures are not only invasive, carry high morbidity, but are also extremely costly. But what if I told you that the solution to this global health emergency was already inside your own body? Your immune system holds the key to a better night's sleep. Hi, I'm Professor Rushdie Hendricks, maxillofacial and oral surgeon and inventor of the BTTT device. The journey began about a decade ago when I appraised the reason why these tongue tethering devices failed. This is because of the natural intrinsic soft nature of the tongue muscle, and hence these mechanical devices tear through within a period of 6 months. So I propose a solution whereby when using one's own stem cells, you can make your own device within your own body. The answer I developed is a breakthrough technology called the Biological Tendon Tether Technology, whereby it's a sponge-like scaffolding that we implant into your tongue, and the stem cells then find their way into these pores and lay down collagen. You see, we are not adding a foreign device to your body. We are merely providing you with a blueprint to develop your own solution. By advancing your tongue base by 10 millimeters, we are giving it the patency that it needs for you to have a nice, unobstructed night's sleep. It's your own body. It's your own anatomy. You have grown your own surgical intervention. This is not just technology. This is regenerative medicine.
Partnering with the University of Cape Town was a pivotal step in bringing our research project into a clinical reality. From 2010 to 2016, we conducted a proof of concept human study as well as an animal trial to successfully prove our long-term viability of our product as well as the biocompatibility. With the support of UCT's Research Contracts and Innovation Office, we've managed to secure funding, complete the preclinical work, and file international patents to protect the technology, including in the USA. In 2024, we secured approval from our local regulator to undertake a first-in-man clinical trial, and on the 22nd of May, we completed the first surgery on a human patient. This exciting milestone was only made possible through the continued strong collaboration between industry and academia, with Life Healthcare, a private hospital group, being an incredible partner throughout our journey. Despite a growing global demand for sleep apnea treatments, we believe this market is largely underserved. The global sleep apnea market is projected to grow to $15 billion per year by the year 2030. This growth is primarily driven by a rising awareness of this condition, rising lifestyle challenges, and dissatisfaction of the existing treatment strategies. In the United States alone, the current spend on OSA treatments per year is exceeding $5 billion. At Apneacure, we aim to disrupt this market. We aim to provide long-term treatment and deliver that treatment in a highly scalable manner. We provide a single-step treatment intervention that provide a patient with long-term OSA alleviation. Our treatment will be delivered through a network of trained surgeons globally, ensuring that we can treat large volumes of patients per year. We not only aim to develop a solution, but also the way in how it gets delivered to the market, addressing not only a medical need, but also a commercial need that legacy solutions have failed to solve.
So before the surgery, I was suffering from severe exhaustion and weight gain, which is a side effect of apnea. So post-op, I managed to bring my weight to I managed to get my weight down and keep it there. So it's offered me a better sleep, better life, more energy. Compared to pre-op, constant exhaustion. It made a huge difference, and I'm very glad I was a trial patient there. So I'm sure that this procedure is going to assist millions, not thousands, but millions across the world.
Hello, my name is Malene Helland. I am an oral maxillofacial surgeon from Copenhagen, Denmark. And I've had the privilege of being not only just a close friend of Professor Dr. Hendricks for more than 30 years, but also seen his amazing work in the field of maxillofacial surgery and now in his passion in sleep apnea. He and his team have made a huge and very important investment in understanding the field of sleep apnea. And I'm super excited to see where we will be in 10 years. I'm sure this will make a difference.
We are inviting you to join us in doing something very transformative. Your funding will assist us to complete our clinical trials and bring to this world a life-changing solution.
We at Apneacure need your help. In order to complete our clinical trials and bring our device to market, we need investors to support our journey. We need you to help hundreds of millions of people around the world who suffer from a problem and that have no solution currently.
Partner with us in waking up a better world, one breath at a time.